here we are gonna look into the culture of Pakistan as we have studied culture previously. Now we are going to study about the culture of Pakistan. As you can see in the picture, chai, pape, cake, ras. This is one of the cultural foods that we serve to our guests as well. So the culture of Pakistan. The society and culture of Pakistan comprises of numerous ethnicities. For example, Punjabi, Sindhis, Pashtun, Balochistan, we have Baloch, etc. etc. There are multiple of them. The origin of current Pakistani culture can be tracked back to the Indus Valley civilization. So, Indus Valley was a civilization where the culture of Pakistan can be tracked back to. As you might have heard about Mohenjo-daro, that was the area where Indus Valley civilization was situated in. So it was stimulated with the Asian, Egyptian, and Sumerian civilizations around 5,000 years ago. So these were the civilizations that have influence in our Pakistani culture. So the characteristics of Pakistani culture will include Islamic values and traditions, language, mixed culture, food, variety of clothes that we wear, and handicrafts. Pakistani culture is actually a part of contemporary Islamic civilization which draw its value and traditions from Islam and rich Islamic history. So here we are talking about Islamic values and traditions that influence the culture. So majority of the population comprises of Muslims and follow the teaching of Islam. So we collectively believe that God, Allah Ta'ala is one. We have only one God. Huzur is our last prophet. Equality and justice के rules भी हमारे यहाँ same हैं. Then Islam is a religion of peace and patience. So we all accept and believe in these four principles that I have mentioned. So this makes our Islamic culture in the society. Then languages. There are a number of languages that are spoken in Pakistan. So the national language is Urdu, which most of the people can understand. Then there are regional languages, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Balochi, etc. etc. पंजाब में पंजाबी के अलावा हिंको भी बोली जाती है. सिंध में सिंधी के अलावा सराइकी भी बोली जाती है. So there are multiple languages that are spoken in Pakistan. That makes it diverse, and these languages are also included in the culture of Pakistan. So Pakistan is a mixed culture. Why is it a mixed culture? Because people entered the Indus Valley civilization, as we discussed earlier कि Pakistan tracks back to this type of civilization. तो वो जो civilization थी उसमें लोग कहाँ कहाँ से आए थे? ईरान से आए थे, टर्की से आए थे, सऊदी अरेबिया से आए थे, सेंट्रल एशिया से आए थे, इराक से आए थे. तो बहुत सारे कंट्रीज से वो लोग इस जगह पे आके रहना शुरू हो गए थे. So they adopted the sea route to reach the soil of subcontinent. They brought their tradition, customs, festivals, and way of life. So all of these people had different sorts of culture and traditions that they used to follow previously where they used to live. फिर वो आके जो है ना एक अलग जगह पे रहना शुरू हो गए. फिर जब वो साथ रहना शुरू हो गए तो उन्होंने डिफरेंट कल्चर्स अडॉप्ट कर लिए और वो सब मिक्स होके हमारा पाकिस्तानी कल्चर वो बनता है. तो इसलिए हम उस कल्चर को कहते हैं मिक्स कल्चर. The local culture mixed with the culture of new arrivals created a multicolored culture on the soil of present day of Pakistan. तो ये भी सेम ही बात बोल रहे हैं. मल्टी कलर्ड मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों, बहुत सारी कंट्रीज का मिक्स होके लोगों ने मिक्स होके वो कल्चर बनाया है पाकिस्तान का. So that is why we call it mixed culture. Then we look at the cultural food of Pakistan. Due to regional and climatical variation of Pakistan, so every province have different type of climate and regional और वहाँ पे चीज़ें अलग अलग तरीके की grow होती हैं. So in Punjab, paratha, makhan, lassi are very popular. Then in Sindh, fish because we have the largest river, that is the Indus River, and we also have the sea. So fish is very popular in Sindh. Then we have seafood because we have the sea. Then in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Shabji, multi-meat, etc. are very popular. In Balochistan, dry fruits, pulses, these are the things that are important or popular. So these were the cultural food of Pakistan. Then there are variety of dresses that every province wear. Pakistan culture is rich in variety of dresses. The people of Punjab, the Pathans of and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, यहाँ पे NWF लिखा हुआ है but we call it Khyber Pakhtunkhwa now. And Balochi people and Sindhis wear their own distinct dresses, as you can see in the picture. These dresses are very colorful and prominent and give attractive look during cultural fairs and festivals. But the national dress of Pakistan is Shalwar Kameez, as you all already know about it. और हर जगह की कढ़ाई भी डिफरेंट है. हर प्रोविंस की डिफरेंट तरीके की एक कल्चरल कढ़ाई है जिसको हम सिंधी ड्रेसेस बोलते हैं. उसमें शीशे लगे हुए होते हैं. बलोचियों की ड्रेसेस पे कढ़ाई डिफरेंट तरीके से हुई हुई होती है. पश्तून की ड्रेसेस अलग होते हैं, उनकी कढ़ाई अलग होती है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेरिएशंस इन दैट एज वेल. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स. हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स वो चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और बैग्स और ये सब चीज़ें हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स में आती हैं. So handicraft in Pakistan are of great value and they are highly appreciated. Both men and women are involved in making these handicrafts. So some of them are sports, surgical goods जैसे सियालकोट, sheets जो पेट पे हम बिछाते हैं. Then there is cutlery जो हम सामान, plates, balls, all of these is called cutleries. So वजीरिस्तान की वो मशहूर है. दैन बैंगल्स ऑफ हैदराबाद, बैंगल्स जो है वो हमारे हैदराबाद के बहुत मशहूर है. सो इन एवरी एरिया देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स that are popular and they are known renowned about it.